Now, to copy and back up the data on the memory stick, which is here, to the other external memory, which is the hard disk drive, which is here, you can simply drag and drop from here to here, but that's inefficient once you have built your files together and they've all been transferred over. Every so often you're going to just update it with new DVDs, and the best way to do that is using command prompt. So you just go down to the search and just into the search just type command prompt or CMD and run as administrator. I have it opened already, and then from there you type in the following command: Robocopy F, which is the source, to the destination, which is D, and then mirror, and then a few other commands, and that's it. Now I'll put this into the video description below. That's all you need to do, and simply press return. And let it work its way through, so it's only changing the aspects that have been updated, as you can see here, most notably Bram Stoker, and there it is. It's updating that. And as I said, you do this individually for each hard disk drive. So when I say that, I mean this is the source, this is your solid state drive, the blue box that I showed in the previous video. This is the target updated drive, which is simply just a redundancy, shall we say, in case you lose or the blue SSD drive becomes corrupted. This is your redundancy, this is your safety option. And I have another one as well, just for further safety, so I have two others which are identical, and that's basically it. So now this has completed after a few minutes, and there we are, we've backed it up. So I'm going to do it again now with the other HD drive, but I won't show you the video for that because it's the same thing. So again, in summary, this video just outlines the importance of backing up the information on your solid state drive to an external HD drive, and maybe have two of those, have them at the same size, so 4 terabytes in this instance. And so if anything goes wrong with the original, then you have a backup. Thank you for watching.